In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a ClickUp consultant. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to complete the application so you can start your journey toward becoming a verified consultant with ClickUp. Start by opening your browser and heading to the address bar. Type clickup.com/consultants and press enter. This takes you to ClickUp's official consultant hub, where they outline the program and its benefits. Take a moment to glance over the page so you understand what the program offers and who it's for. Next, look for the button labeled Become a Verified Consultant and click it. This is your gateway to the official application. On the next screen, choose the option that opens the ClickUp Verified Consultant Program application. The application will load in a separate page or tab. Once the form opens, begin at the top with the business name field. Enter your company's legal or trading name exactly as you want it to appear in any future listings or communications. Consistency with your branding helps clients find and recognize you. Move down to applicant first name and type your given name, then applicant last name. For your family name, use the name you prefer for professional communications and make sure it matches your other materials for a smooth verification experience. Next is email. Provide a professional, regularly monitored inbox. Since ClickUp may send confirmations or follow-ups here, double check for typos. A small mistake can delay your progress. Continue to business website. Paste the URL of your main site or portfolio. Make sure your site is live, loads quickly, and clearly highlights your services and experience with ClickUp or process improvement. Polished, up-to-date pages help reviewers and potential clients trust your expertise. You'll also see a field for an Upwork or Fiverr profile. If you use those platforms, paste the link to your profile. Before you do, consider reviewing your profile to ensure it showcases relevant projects, testimonials, and tangible outcomes. Clear, measurable results and well-written descriptions go a long way. Before submitting, take a final moment to review everything. Confirm spelling, verify that each link opens correctly in a new tab, and ensure your business and personal details are consistent with your online presence. This quick check can save time later. When you're satisfied, click Submit. You should see a confirmation on screen, and you can expect a follow-up from ClickUp if they need more details. Keep an eye on your inbox over the next few days. That's it. You've located the official page, opened the application, completed each field, and submitted your information. Good luck on your path to becoming a verified ClickUp consultant.